Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're starting by preparing both devices. Make sure the target supports Bluetooth 4, 0 or newer for stability, and that both batteries are above 20%. Next, open Settings or the Quick Panel and enable Bluetooth on each device. This exposes the radios and starts discovery. Once done, position the devices within 3 to 10 meters and turn off airplane mode or other wireless blockers so discovery packets travel cleanly. These steps remove common physical and software blockers before pairing begins. You'll now trigger the actual pairing. On the host, choose Scan or Add Device, then watch for the device name to show up. This indicates successful discovery. Meanwhile, make sure the peripheral is in pairing mode. Many require holding a button until an LED flashes. When the host sees the name, tap it to connect and follow the on-screen authentication. Accept a PIN, confirm a numeric code, or approve a BLE prompt. Once authenticated, the devices exchange keys and establish a secure link. Finish by confirming the connected status in Settings and testing the intended function. Play audio, send a file, or test input. Make sure the device role is correct, grant any requested permissions, and adjust volumes or profiles as needed. If the connection fails, try the key troubleshooting step. Restart both devices, remove any old pairings, and retry within 1 to 2 meters. This resets radios and clears stale keys, which resolves most pairing errors quickly. If problems persist, update firmware.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.